Use the icon bars to manage team players, clip art, and backgrounds. A key feature is the swap option. Select a player, then click the swap icon on another player to exchange their positions. Use Ctrl or Command to swap with an external file. The icon bar includes options to remove a player and slightly tilt the image to correct its angle. Choose from 4 options to adjust the Z order of players in the design. You can move a player back 1 step or position them behind all other players. Alternatively, move a player forward 1 step or bring them to the very front. Once a player is selected, use the slider at the bottom right to adjust their size independently of others. You can also set the size of the entire team using the slider at the top right. Cliparts have their own icon toolbar. Adjust the clipart size using the slider at the top right or by dragging the yellow control lines. Cliparts can be stretched as needed, which is especially useful for elements like smoke and other effects. Remove cliparts and adjust their Z order to position them in front of or behind other cliparts and players. Backgrounds have their own icon toolbar, allowing you to resize the background by clicking the magnifying glass icon and dragging. You can also adjust the background size with the slider on the right. Use the icon bar to remove or reset the background, and drag from the bar to reposition it. Adjust background opacity with the slider on the right, and choose a color for the background. Combine opacity adjustments with color selection to fully customize the background. Remove backgrounds in clipart using the trash icon in the right panel or the icon toolbar. Ensure you select the correct panel at the top for working with players, clipart, or backgrounds.